is the whole of this back wall. We're gonna bring it in line all the way in this back wall right here. We're gonna remove this wall and bring it out right here. Rip up all of these flooring, and all of these right here is gonna have mirrors. Sliding door, new sliding door. Then we go inside. All of this wall we're gonna rip out. Ceiling right here, this wall, we're gonna push it all the way back. Push it all the way back, create a mud room right here, and put a entrance on the side over there. All of this bar right here, we're gonna open up everything opening up. This is gonna be the kitchen. It's gonna expand, go all the way out, and have an island right here in the middle. The bathroom in here, everything got it out. Full renovation bathroom. So we're gonna have a regular tub, double sink. We're gonna blow this wall out, open it up, and bring it all the way back. Now this is gonna be this boiler room right here. We're gonna remove these and put them right over here. We're gonna install the wall mount boiler. Now we go into the garage that already closed up. Now right here on the outside is the garage door. We're gonna open it up, put a regular garage door. Here we're gonna blow the whole of this wall to extend it all the way back. Get rid of the shower and just do a two-piece stand-up shower. Regular bathroom, no stand-up shower. There's a toilet and a sink. This right here, we're gonna open up everything here. All of this gonna remove. Now we go into this room. What we're gonna create right now, we're gonna open up this and do a slider door. And the outside, we're gonna extend this wall, go all the way out into that. New floors, new walls, recessed lighting, the whole works. Let's go outside. What we have right here is a deck that we have on top. But basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the wood and replace it with vinyl, with composite material on the flooring. That what you're seeing right there, the glass, now it's gonna be from here. So everything gonna be on the same side as over here. Just right here, we're gonna close it up and we're gonna have a glass door. All of this wall that you're seeing right here, we're gonna put it on this side, go all the way. So now this right here where I'm standing, it's gonna be a part of the living room and the kitchen. All that you can see. Now we're gonna be a part of in the kitchen. And here, we're gonna have a bar area where we can overlook the ocean and everything. Now we're gonna have glass door, a glass door here, and a glass door on both sides. So all what we're seeing is just the ocean view.